So I'm driving to the new house today, and we are not moving in because of all the demo that we have to do to it and all the other things we have to do to it first before we can move in. But we just closed, and so I'm really excited to go spend a few minutes in this space, and I'm gonna do a quick video, just a walkthrough for you so you can see what the house looks like before. All right, I am here, just pulled up and about to go inside. So as you can see, we had a dumpster delivered the other day, the day that the homeowner said she was gonna be out, and we allowed her to throw whatever she needed to in there for garbage. So there's already a dumpster full, and we're gonna have that picked up because demo starts here on Monday. So that's why I really wanted you to come through with me so we could do the tour beforehand, because it's not gonna look like this for very much longer. All right, so I'm gonna start at the back of the house because frankly, it's more impressive than the rest. But I've stepped into my gate here, into the backyard, and this is what it looks like. So there's pavers all the way around in the back. Plenty of room for an outdoor kitchen, which is what we plan on doing here at some point, and also an outdoor bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink. And if you come through here, this is the screened-in patio area. And all the contents of the screened-in patio area here are mine because the homeowner was gracious enough to allow us to store some things here for a couple of days until the closing. So this is my patio furniture that's just thrown here, my indoor plants and stuff like that. But here is the outdoor area, and it's really beautiful. I love it. I love that the whole yard is fenced. We will actually have a yard here where we didn't at our old house. We had a beautiful pool and pond behind, which was lovely to watch because of all the activity, the birds and stuff like that, which is really cool. But I'm excited to have a lawn for my kids to play in, and we still have a pool, but this way we get a fence too, which I think is amazing. And it goes way out that way. So we have a lot of extra land for a fire pit, and if we want to put an outbuilding or something else, guest house or something like that, out there we have plenty of room to expand. Here's the pool. And right over here in this corner here is where we plan on putting the outdoor bathroom. And this is the lower level bathroom and bedroom windows. And then here is the other side of the yard. And there's a shed here, which will be really useful. With a coat of paint, it'll look much better. And then above it, we have a deck coming off the second level. And we are going to move the kitchen sliders from that area there to this one right here. This is where the kitchen slider will be. And the deck will walk off about 10 by 20. I think it's 10 by 28. And this portion of the deck will remain largely the same size, but this one's going to be a big square so that I can put patio furniture and things like that up there, and use this narrow portion for picnic tables I like to set up really pretty for the holidays. So here is the back, and I love it. And this is one of the parts I'm the most excited about. Let's go inside. All right, so now I'm about to walk through the garage. So the only way to get from to the pool right now is through the back patio door that we came in, or else through the garage. So when we do the second level deck or the second story deck, we're going to also add some stairs down to the pool so we can have a third access point down to the pool. But here is the garage, and it's a 2-car with 2 bays. And this is already all of our crap, friends. Like, we brought our safe over, we brought our fridge over. All of it is already ours. So, you saw my storage unit, so you know I'm going to be paring down. So don't be too scared for me. Okay, so now we're inside. There's a little closet behind me. Let me move my hand so you can see. And this area right here, this little coat closet, I think is gonna become our little under the stairs bar area, because these are where the stairs go up to the second level. And I think right here would be a really fabulous little bar area with another ice maker, so that when we are at the pool or when we're entertaining, if people want to come inside and get a drink, or get some ice. We'll have it right here. That's just my thought right now. That may change. But there is a fireplace down here and a bedroom. I'm gonna flip the camera angle around so I can get a better shot. Okay, so here's the little bedroom and closet. It's got these really awful retro closet doors, and that looks out to the pool area right here. And it's got this kind of like funky wall. This is the support beam right here. So it's got this kind of funky wall where the supports are. We're gonna have this moved, I think, over this way a little bit, a few feet. And this bathroom is gonna become larger. It's gonna kind of eat into the space next door into the bedroom. And then this wall, like I said, this is the same support wall. This one will be moved over this way quite a few feet. I only want a bedroom big enough for 1 queen size bed and maybe 2 night tables, and that is it. Small closet, because we just don't need the guest room. The guest room doesn't need to be big, it just needs to be functional. So that will make this area a lot bigger. And then we will go upstairs. This is a split plan, so we walk up a flight and here's the front door. There we go. Front door. And we continue on. And this is the family room, or the living room, if you will. This room is gonna get, or this area here is gonna get a cable railing. Step back so you can see it. Second fireplace. And this is the kitchen area, which is also going to be a major facelift for this adorable 1960s little home. And one of the things I love about this house is that really feels like a tree house when you're inside on the main level, and I really love that about it. And there's a little canal view. Lots of fish for the kiddos in there. Fun fishing. And this is where the slider is going to be. So this slider is going to become a window, and this window is going to become a slider. And the kitchen is going to go from that wall all the way over to approximately there. And then a big island will be dropped in the center with lots of seating. And this wall will, of course, be gone. But right now, the kitchen is not bad. She's definitely done some updates to it. It's got new shaker cabinets and granite. So definitely a livable kitchen until I can do the remodel. Everything is really expensive. The price of lumber has gone up like 300%. And supplies have all gone up, drywall is up. So it may not be the best time to start on some of these projects, but definitely gonna be completed soon. And then here's the hallway leading to 3 of the 4 bedrooms. This is a little pantry closet, which will definitely spruce up. This is a Jack and Jill master bedroom and hallway bathroom. And I think I will eventually close that door up because I'm gonna build a double closet in the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom here. And I'm going to gut this entire wall and build a bigger closet that takes away a little bit from the bedroom, but this is a decent bedroom size, so it won't hurt it too much. And there we go. So here is where I was at the bathroom. Oh yeah, we have a little closet. This would have been a great little linen closet, but the owner decided she would like to have a little towel cubby in the bathroom. And so they ate up the space that would be in the closet for that. which suited her but does not suit me. So that will be removed, and this will become a linen closet again. And I may actually do baskets or something so that's open and like sort of an interesting focal point instead of another hallway of doors. Okay, so that was the master. This is for my oldest son here. This is a decent sized bedroom. It's kind of hard to tell by the video, but it really is. And this needs an overhaul as well. So we have these lovely plastic doors, which will come down right away. And then for my littlest son, who's currently 9, this is only a 9x9 bedroom. So it's tiny, but what he has is a twin size bunk bed. So it'll be perfect in here. And he'll still have plenty of room to store toys. And also we're gonna do some shelves with his computer for this room. Plenty of room for him, not too much room to make a mess in. And so there you have it. That is the entire house. Not very big, but will have a lot of charm when I'm finished. I'm gonna shoot it from this angle for you. So I hope you can tell by the footage that a lot of this stuff is just a little cosmetic updating. So the second floor is going to be gutted so we can access the plumbing, the electrical, and the HVAC system, and parts of the ceiling up here will also be torn down so they can access the HVAC, because the HVAC has issues, it has mold in it, and so does the first floor, because this house does not have gutters or spouting, and when it rains it goes right into the foundation because it also doesn't have any slope out to the water. So we're going to remediate the drainage issue, the gutter issue, and then the mold issue, both in the HVAC ducts and in the first floor. The HVAC ducts have mold in this house because basically it's original. When they did them, it has a lot of holes in it, which of course when you mix cold air that comes out the little holes and cracks in the ducts, it creates condensation, which then grows mold because it's so hot in Florida, and the attic is not very, it's not very tall. So there's not a lot of adequate ventilation up there. So that will be remediated as well. So this house, when we're done with it, will be like basically a brand new house, which is very exciting for me because I really do at this point plan on living here forever. Like I know that I can maintain this house for the rest of my life and be just fine. So especially if right now in 2021, we're basically making a whole brand new house with brand new everything. So very exciting. Of course you do know too. I mean, if you watch DecorSauce, you know that I love a project. And so I do get bored easy. So once the sauce is done, I don't know, we'll see what happens. But right now I know I can maintain it for the rest of my life with its size, and especially if we get it all fixed up. And even if we have to move away or our life changes for some reason, I always have this property to come back to, and it's small enough that we can keep it as a rental property. The rental properties around here go for a ton of money. So it's a really good investment and a great location. So I'm really excited to share the process with you guys. I'm excited that you're tuning along. And again, if you like DIY stuff, don't forget to check out DecorSauce.com or DecorSauce on YouTube. I have a lot of DIYs on there, and I will have some more on here too once we get started, but wanted to give you the quick and swift before, and I'm excited to share this with you. So I will touch in with you again once the demo starts and show you what it looks like then.